Jake just signed a contract for a $25,000 solar system. He is thrilled because his $200 monthly electricity bill is about to vanish. Marcus had the same $25,000, but he didn't put it on his roof. Instead, he put that money into a simple index fund and continued to pay his power bill out of pocket every month. Both men think they've made the superior move, but behind the marketing of solar panels lies a mathematical reality that salesmen rarely mention. Before you invest in your roof, we need to look at who actually has more wealth 10 years down the line. Is solar truly an investment, or is it just an expensive lifestyle upgrade? Let's run the real math. First, let's look at Jake's side. After tax incentives, Jake's net cost was $18,000. He's saving $200 a month or $2,400 a year. Mathematically, it will take Jake 7.5 years just to recover his initial investment. This is known as the payback period. However, there are two major hidden factors. First, efficiency loss. Solar panels produce 0.5% less power every single year. Second, maintenance. 8 years in, when Jake's inverter fails, a $3,000 repair bill pushes his payback period back another year and a half. Now look at Marcus. His $18,000 in an index fund is growing at a 10% average annual return. By the time Jake recovers his first dollar of profit, Marcus's account has already exploded due to compounding. The real math starts when we calculate opportunity cost. After 10 years, Jake has saved a total of $24,000 in electricity. But since he spent $18,000 up front, his net gain is only $6,000. If Marcus had invested that same $18,000 10 years later at a 10% return, it would have grown to over $46,000. Even after Marcus paid $24,000 in power bills over those 10 years, he is still left with a net profit of $22,000. Jake is left with aging panels with zero resale value. Marcus is left with liquid cash that is continuing to compound. So, is solar a scam? No. But it is not a wealth-building investment for people who finance their panels. If you are paying 10 to 12% interest on a solar loan, the math will almost never work in your favor. Only install solar if you plan to stay in your home for at least 15 years, if you are paying in cash, and if your primary goal is sustainability rather than beating the stock market. The rule of wealth building is simple. Before you spend, look at what that money could have earned you elsewhere. Math never lies. Be smart, not emotional. See you in the next video.